Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran. For those who all are watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Simran and I make skincare, beauty, lifestyle related content on my channel. So if you have any interest in that, then this is the video for you and this is the channel for you. Then please keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel if you like, and also you can follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here. Go and check my page. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how you can extract your whiteheads and blackheads at home only. So I'm gonna talk about in details how you can do that process and also what products you need for removing your blackheads and whiteheads, like basically what tools you need. I'm gonna speak everything in this video. Watch this video till the end so that you can know thoroughly what is the pros and cons, how you can remove your blackheads, what is not the correct way to do it and what is the correct way to do it, and you can easily remove your whiteheads and blackheads at home. But I want to tell one thing, like आप अगर ब्लैकहेड्स वाइटहेड्स को रिमूव करते हैं आपके घर पे, ऐसा नहीं है वो कभी भी वापस नहीं आएगा, वो डेफिनेटली वापस आएगा और आपको उसको फिर से क्लीन करना पड़ता है एंड फिर से रिमूव करना पड़ता है वो ब्लैकहेड्स एंड वाइटहेड्स को. यू कैन डू दिस प्रोसेस वंस इन अ मंथ, आई वुड से. सो या, विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू, इफ यू वांट टू सी हाउ आई रिमूव माई ब्लैकहेड्स एंड whiteheads at home, then please keep on watching. First I will talk about why you get those blackheads and whiteheads on your nose, on your chin and on your forehead. Some people also face the problem on their cheeks as well. So why do you get that? What is the cause behind it? जब आपके स्किन पे बहुत ज़्यादा डर्ट्स, ऑयल्स एंड जर्म्स जम जाते हैं आपकी स्किन पे एंड आप उसको थोरोली क्लीन नहीं करते हैं या फिर आप स्किन केयर अच्छे से नहीं करते हैं, तब आपके फेस पे whiteheads एंड blackheads की प्रॉब्लम दिखने लग जाती है. एंड वो आपके सीबम, आपका जो ऑयल प्रोडक्शन होता है टी जोन पे, ज़्यादातर whiteheads एंड blackheads टी जोन पे ही होता है ना, तो आपके स्किन पे जो भी डर्ट्स एंड पोल्यूशन जम जाता है उसकी वजह से आपको whiteheads एंड blackheads की प्रॉब्लम होती है, जो कि एकदम नॉर्मल है. इट्स नॉट अ थिंग टू बी ashamed of, so it's a really normal thing. You can get rid of this. To be very honest, you cannot get rid of this whiteheads and blackheads fully in your life, but you can definitely control this process. अगर आपका 2-3 दिन में whiteheads and blackheads होने लग जाती है तो आपको मंथ में होगी, आपको 2 मंथ में हो सकती है इसको फॉलो करने के बाद. सो लेकिन वो डेफिनेटली हो गया, आपको उसको रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. Guys, I'm going to share my things, my personal experience and how I like to do this process at my home, and everything you will find like आपके घर पे ही. And some of products that you need to buy are 2 of these products. So first you need this kind of nose strips. So you can see, so guys, this is called the hip hop nose strip. Guys, you need to buy this kind of a strip first and then you need to buy this kind of a blackhead and whitehead remover. So ये वाला टूल आपको बाय करना पड़ेगा and you need this kind of a strip as well. Guys, you will get this kind of a strips inside this package. You will get 3 of these strips on ₹99 I guess. या इस कॉस्ट पर ₹99, तो आपका 30 रुपीज़ में एक बार का हो जाएगा एंड ये आपको 90 रुपीज़ कॉस्ट करेगा. ये आपका बहुत टाइम तक चल जाएगा एंड ये आपका 3 टाइम तक चलेगा. सो इट्स ओके गाइज, यू विल जस्ट गोना पे 30 रुपीज़ फॉर 1 यूज एंड या these are the 2 tools that you need and that's it. The next question is how frequently you need to extract your whiteheads and blackheads. It's basically depend upon your growth, how frequently you are getting whiteheads and blackheads, but I'll suggest you go for it once in a month and that's it. आपको एक ही बार मंथ में करना चाहिए white and blackheads को remove. Then I will say some other things that you can maintain also. So do wash your face twice a day if you have normal to dry skin, and if you have oily skin type then wash your face thrice a day. Guys, the second tip is scrubbing. So you need to scrub your face twice a week if you have normal to oily skin, and if you have dry skin type then you need to scrub your face at least once in a week and that is compulsory. So आप कोई भी अच्छा सा माइल्ड सा स्क्रब ले सकते हैं. मैं आपको बहुत सारे वीडियोस में बहुत सारे स्क्रब्स भी रिकमेंड की हूँ. सो अगर आपको और कोई प्रोडक्ट भी अच्छा लगता है तो आप वो भी यूज कर सकते हो. एंड देन द थर्ड टिप इज यू नीड टू अप्लाई अ गुड टोनर ऑन योर फेस. व्हेन यू विल यूज अ स्क्रब एंड अ फेस वॉश, आपके पोर्स ओपन हो जाते हैं एंड आफ्टर यू आर टेकिंग अ बाथ विद हॉट शावर ऑल्सो आपके पोर्स ओपन हो जाते हैं. सो आप उसको क्लोज करने के लिए आपको एक टोनर की जरूरत होती है. तो यू कैन यूज एनी टोनर एंड देयर आर सो मेनी टोनर अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट एज वेल. यू कैन इवन गो फॉर अ रोज वाटर, अ गुड क्वालिटी रोज वाटर you can go for. So if you want me to give any suggestion then you can go for the Good Vibes one, and then the natural was rose water one, and you can also go for the Kama Ayurveda rose water also. So these are the 3 rose water that I really like, and you can buy whichever you want. and also I'll make sure to give all the links in my description box below, and also I will give these two products link in my description box, so you can buy whichever you want. So you need to apply a good toner on your face after scrubbing your face and even after washing your face as well. That will help to close your pores. आपके pores पे कोई dirt और pollution enter नहीं कर पाएगा, so then you will get less amount of blackheads and whiteheads problem. Guys, these are the basic 3 tips that you can keep it in your mind and you can do it for better result as well. Guys, now I'm going to show you how you can do it, and also I will explain the do's and don'ts in that only, so you can watch everything in detail.
So guys, I have some makeup on my face, so I want to remove those things first. So for that I'm using this Garnier Micellar water, and then I'm using a face wash to clean my face, because before this process it's really important to clean your face. So for that I'm using this face wash. You can use any sort of cleanser that you like. So then in the second step we have to scrub our face. So for that I'm using this Biotique Bio Papaya Revitalizing Face Scrub. In this process, scrubbing helps to open your pores, and that will help to remove those blackheads and whiteheads easily. Then the third step is to steam your face. So for that I'm using this warm water, and I'm using this towel, this clean towel, and I'm gonna just pat those water on my skin. ये स्टेप में भी आपका पोर्स और ज़्यादा ओपन हो जाएंगे, तो दैट विल हेल्प टू एक्सट्रैक्ट आवर blackheads and whiteheads. So now we will use this strip to extract our blackheads and whiteheads. So it's a charcoal based strip, you can clearly see. So how to use this strip? You just need to open this strip and apply some water on your nose. Like आपको अपने nose को थोड़ा सा wet करना पड़ेगा, and after that remove those extra water from your hand, because otherwise it will not gonna stick on your nose nicely. So then just stick this strip on your nose and wait for 20 minutes, and after that you can remove this strip. Guys, in this step you have to keep one thing in mind. Do not wait this strip like I have done. I have done this mistake, and don't do the same mistake. And after 10 to 20 minutes your strip will dry and you have to remove this strip. Guys, particularly in this strip you will not gonna have so much of pain, so you can wear this one. And आप देख सकते हो कितना ज़्यादा whiteheads मेरे nose से निकला हुआ है अभी, and मेरे nose पे उतना ज़्यादा blackheads का problem नहीं होता है. After that I'm using this Vega blackhead eliminating tool to extract all the leftover blackheads and whiteheads that are present in my nose. Guys, you have to do this process very gently. Don't be so abrasive while doing this, otherwise you will hurt yourself. So do it carefully and don't overdo it. Guys, after this process your nose will look so brightened and softened. So that's what I really like about this process. And after that you have to do certain things like certain skincare. So first I'm using this rose water, and I'm just pressing this rose water on my skin. And after that you have to use a good moisturizer, but I'll suggest you to use an aloe vera gel. That will really soothe your skin, so that's what at this time you really need. So use a good aloe vera gel instead of using any moisturizer, and you can clearly see my nose, how glowy my nose looks.
So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then definitely subscribe my channel, and do follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here. You can check my page, and also if you want me to do any other videos as well, then definitely comment down below. I will love to share those things with you. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.